watching nonstop local weather.
All right, hello again, everyone. We ought to be in the upper 60s to lower 70s this time of the year, and we were in the low 70s, Missoula 72, Kalispell, but low 80s. Wow, very warm where we had more sunshine today. Central and eastern Montana, 81 in Great Falls, low 80s in Helena and Bozeman, 84 in the Glasgow area. So tomorrow we start turning cooler in western Montana, showers in the western part of the state, mainly northwest, and gusty winds statewide. Now, I do want to emphasize one more warm day for central and eastern Montana. Tuesday night, a period of windy weather for you folks in northeast areas. Wednesday, showers west and central Montana, and then cooler for you folks in central and eastern parts of the state. Clear to partly cloudy tonight. Here comes the first in a series of waves of moisture in association with a large upper level trough of low pressure over the Pacific. So some showers in Lincoln County, back to Lookout Pass at 1 p.m. Great Falls to Butte, all the way to the North Dakota border. Lots of sunshine, warm temperatures well above average. Tomorrow evening, the front starts cooling temperatures in western Montana. A few showers around Kalispell. The front will progress eastward. Here comes another onslaught of moisture into northwest and west central Montana, but most of the widespread rain, Glacier Park, also down into the Mission and Swan ranges, and cooler air moving into eastern Montana as well, maybe accompanied by a sprinkle in Glasgow. That would be midnight Wednesday night, Thursday morning. High pressure brings dry conditions and sunshine to parts of central and eastern Montana 1 p.m. So the next several days, really the only unsettled part of the state will be Kalispell down into Missoula, possibly as far south as Hamilton. That'll start changing. We'll start seeing some rain showers developing north central and central Montana 5 a.m. Friday. Missoula waking up to some rain and some mountain snow Friday morning. Finally, some showers eastward from Havre into the Glasgow area. How much rain are we anticipating? With what I just showed you, you can probably guess the best chances of beneficial rain will be in the northwest corner, 1/3 of an inch in Kalispell, maybe almost 2/10 of an inch Missoula, just a few hundredths elsewhere, although Havre may pick up 1800ths. And as those showers later in the week come into northeast Montana, Glasgow may see 1200ths. Keep in mind, this is all the way through Friday morning, so several days. Snow, well, we will have to wait in the mountains, but later in the week, we do think some snow will be developing up in Glacier Park and possibly southward into the Mission, Bitterroot, and Sapphire ranges. Windy for tomorrow. We do have a wind advisory, Fort Peck Lake. Guess not all that bad, 25 miles per hour, 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. tomorrow. Now, winds will be increasing, 30 mile per hour in Great Falls. And then tomorrow night, there's going to be a period of strong winds in the eastern part of the state, 37 miles per hour in Jordan. That would be 10 p.m. on Tuesday. And then on Wednesday, some gusty winds around the West Yellowstone area as well. And more. Cut Bank, 35 miles per hour. Billings, 30 miles per hour. So periodic windy weather, especially with that cold front. Tonight, clear to partly cloudy, 47 Missoula, 43 Kalispell. Southwest areas, 50 in Bozeman, 46 Butte, 42 in Dillon. Northward we go, central and north central areas, 49 Lewistown, 53 Great Falls, 52 in the state capital, and in northeast and east central areas, 49 in Glendive, Wolf Point, 51 Glasgow. Sunny central and east, very warm again tomorrow, 82 Great Falls, 83 Glasgow. However, in the cloudier areas, showers northwest, 66 Kalispell, 72 Missoula. There's that huge upper level low trough. So one more warm day central and east tomorrow, cooling in the western part of the state. Missoula, Kalispell, look at that. Unfortunately, the homecoming weekend looks to be wet and cool. Highs in the 50s to low 60s in both Missoula, Kalispell. Helena, Great Falls, one more warm day tomorrow, falling to the 50s by the weekend with rain starting Friday, lasting through the weekend. Butte, Bozeman, again, rain for you as well. Homecoming in Bozeman Saturday. Highs in the upper 40s and 50s in Butte and Bozeman. Lewistown, 50s this weekend, 60s in Glasgow with rain into that part of the state. Beyond that, cooler than normal. October 3rd to the north to the 9th, and above average precipitation continuing. More to come.